In this video, we will be discussing the different types of sponges and their uses for cleaning. Sponges are an essential tool for cleaning various surfaces, from dishes to floors and beyond. Cellulose sponges are a popular choice for cleaning around the house due to their ability to absorb large amounts of liquid and debris. They can be used for cleaning dishes, countertops, and even walls and floors. Scrub sponges are made with a rougher texture that allows for more aggressive cleaning. They are ideal for removing tough stains and grime from surfaces like stove tops, ovens, and bathrooms. Natural sea sponges are a more environmentally friendly option for cleaning. They are extremely soft and gentle, making them perfect for delicate surfaces like fine china and glasses. Microfiber sponges are a newer type of sponge that are becoming increasingly popular. They are made with ultra-fine fibers that are excellent for picking up and trapping dirt and dust. They are especially useful for cleaning electronics and other sensitive equipment. In conclusion, there are many different types of sponges available for cleaning. It's important to choose the right one for the task at hand, whether it's a cellulose sponge for general cleaning or a scrub sponge for tougher stains. By using the appropriate sponge, cleaning can become easier and more effective.